Hey guys, first time I've recorded any parkour in a while. Got COVID and I'm alright, we're good. Yeah, I'm just going to the first ever spot we filmed at. The lower part of Keithley, not the roofs, but the other part. Maybe I'll show you the roofs. I got a couple other surprises, if you can't already tell. It's really cold out. It's like 32 fucking degrees out. 32 degrees out Fahrenheit. That's about 0 degrees Celsius. What the? Grandma, not my prison shank! Canadian Air Force. Dang, it's nice and dry and everything. And these racks, just stewardess. Big reveal one. See something missing? No hair. Babyface. Babyface Jay. Babyface Jared. Woo! Shit, I'm fat. I just get out here more. A lot more. Woo! Good times though. My max is still like the same though. Damn. I need to work on that, yeah? Well. You know, I'm gonna over liable and get them nerves going a little bit. You know, stairway to hell. The usual. I lost my GoPro, my other GoPro as well. Like left it at work somehow. That's a no-go. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that right now. It's covered in snow. Dude, look at this path. Stay where the hell is frozen today. There's a little strip of no snow, no ice, dryness, so I'm gonna give it. I'm gonna give it. That's the gap, but I'm not doing it over there because there's no spots. It's better safe. So relaxing.
Not good enough.
Not good enough.
fucking snow. I got off of work a bit ago. I think I'm gonna head home. That's about it. Got the blood pumping. That last one got me going. I thought I felt it slip a little bit. I hit my foot on a little bit of this. I wouldn't mess up the bike. It might be all gurgly. Ooh, that's funny. Alright. Love you guys. Later. On my way to guitar. We're gonna go downtown. I haven't trained in weeks because I got sick, and yeah, you're gonna see. Open the door. Oh. I'm so glad I filmed that. The whole time? No, it was unlocked actually. Oh shit. All right, me and Ty here. We're gonna do one chip challenge. It's gonna be the worst. Worst thing ever. One chip challenge. You, a mere mortal who thinks you have what it takes. The Reaper. One otherworldly demon fueled by the hottest peppers known to man. What to expect? Made Carolina Reaper and it's scorpion pepper.
Are they all the same?
Yeah.
Oh.
This straight from hell chip was created for the sheer pleasure of intense heat and pain. And then there's 5 steps of craziness. Oh, got instructions. Oh, another cool thing.
I'm a man. I'll rub it on my balls. No, not really though.
I was like, oh, you better pull them out. Rule for challenge: eat entire chip. Wait as long as possible before drinking water. Post your reaction and tag them. Challenge: eat entire chip. Wait as long as possible before drinking water. Post your reaction and tag them.
Shit. I hope Flashpoint's better than water at washing this shit out.
Oh shit, we got a thing to hold afterwards.
Oh.
Alright, here we go. Dink it.
Toast. Cheers, mate.
Eat the whole thing, do it. Oh my fucking god.
Christ, I already feel like I've been amazed.
I feel like I've been amazed, yeah.
Oh. Oh. Fuck. You ate all of them? Mm-hmm. Oh. I don't know if I could do all of them.
Do it.
Oh. I pray the Lord my soul will keep. Oh, I don't even know. That hurts. I'm bowing out. I'm bowing out. You want good?
No, I don't want it. Ugh. There's no camera have here.
Oh. Shit. Oh. Oh man. What if I have some of that? How's this? Oh. One more spoon.
Not worth it.
What happened?
Stand here and film. Peace.
Yep.
Okay, 1 second.
Do it. He's an explorer. Whew. Hey.
Hey, bro.
What's up?
I want you to know right now you're pointing the camera at your face.
Oh, whoops. Shit. Oh, I was wondering why there was no screen.
Oh my God, classic. I'm gonna run and jump from this side to that side.
Should I move over?
Basically what? No, just make sure you're...
Oh, gotcha.
I can make it without running. Wow.
Highway to the danger zone. Oh, do it.
I'm sticking.
Oh, do it. What's up?
Now I gotta shoot.
I know, right? Let's do that after this. You stick it and then we'll take a shit. Not in the same room. Yeah, that kicked my ass, dude. Serious. Oh. Do it.
One more.
Do it. That's a Rocky theme. Da 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 da. I feel it. Best laid plans amid mice.
I wasn't feeling it in my stomach, so I started jumping.
Oh, I know, dude.
Film that.
Wee woo. I think I just seen the Batman. Oh no, it's just a fire truck. Action to cool. Oh, bro, I gotta get back home. I gotta take a shit, possibly puke.
That's it. I can't even go one more time.
Oh. Fuck, man.
God, I just want to go to bed.
I know. Ooh.
Alright, well.
Eh?
Wait, film me laying on the ground.
The vanquished. Not
Like
the vanquished.
wasted in